Started?
Yep.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Super Heroes Like G. We're going to be unboxing a doll today. My dad is making a video with us today. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So this is the girl we got. We got Kaylee Hopkins from 2003. That's who we're unboxing today. And I've looked at her for a while and I'm really excited that I purchased her in my collection. So the first thing we get to see here is her dog. Get this open. Okay, the tape is very big.
Yeah, the
This
tape
is a
was
really
really
big
good.
dog. Limbs move. It's got this cute bandana.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Cute dog. I don't remember what her dog's name is. That's what we got. Okay, next item. We got some clothes here. I believe this is her wetsuit.
Uh-huh.
It's purple. Got two colors of purple on it.
Awesome.
Has a little AG marking on it.
Uh-huh.
And then we got some more clothes here. Oh, this is her bikini bottoms, and this is her bikini.
Aww.
And then it looks like we have the shoes for her wetsuit.
Wow.
Pretty in purple. Her beach bag.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next thing. This is heavy.
Wow.
Oh, it looks like a cover maybe. It's a bag. Let's see, it opens.
What's it got in it?
I think it's a board. She does do a bunch of surfing.
Huh.
Oh, yep, it's her board. It's hard. Looks really nice. Doesn't really have any scuffs or anything on it. It's plastic. Alright, we're going to put it back in there. It's got a little latch onto it. Hold on to her wrist.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll leave it unzipped. Excuse me. Okay, I think this is the doll. Okay, she's all wrapped up, guys. There she is. There's her little legs. Oh, it's stuck to her. Oh, I'll have to get that off. Here she is, guys. Oh, it's stuck to her. That'll be okay. We can get it off. Here she is. Got her necklace. Look at choker. And a little bracelet here. And her little ankle bracelet too. Yeah. Well, here she is. Here's her hair. And braids on the side. Yep, and that's her. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.